Yeah, I know. You do not want this. And I'm gonna show you how this happened. I picked up these 4 chairs for the kitchen. I really like the detail on them. They're kind of different and I like that. Please don't mind the mess. We're in the garage. I couldn't believe the seats. They're immaculate condition. So there you go. These 4 chairs were $15 each. They were $60 and I can't wait to see what I'm going to do with them. Got this table on Marketplace. I love the design of it. It's all detailed. Delivers rich color and protection in one step. Can be used over polyurethane finishes. Stain says that you can apply over urethane. So I thought, you know what, I'll do the kitchen table. And then when I started to go in with a cloth to take out some of the coat, this started to happen. It's almost like the actual stain that was below started to rub off. At the end of the day, guys, I was going to sand it anyway, so it really doesn't make a difference. This was definitely a learning experience, and this is what I want you guys to take from the stuff that I do, is that it doesn't always turn out, but I don't want you to go into a panic when things don't work out. It's okay, it's cool, we'll fix it. This is what happens. So hang in there, we'll get through this, I'll show you. He's so good to me, he puts up with all my shenanigans. Thanks, honey, for getting everything ready for me.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you're lying next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause
so this is the next day, and sanded everything down to the bare wood. And as I said, I love the way the design on top goes. I just couldn't bring myself to paint that. It's so beautiful. So we're going to stain that today. No need to stress about it. Remember when I say it's only paint, this one was actually a little bit harder because it was stain and it was a royal pain in the you know what, but hey, it can be done. It's not something that's a throwaway, right? Okay, a heck of a lot of elbow grease, but I noticed that it's cut sort of in sections, like not triangles, but you know, and then it was kind of put together so it can have that star effect. So much work to make this table. This table was made in 6 sections on each side. Wish me luck here, guys. I'm going to be doing this side here. I also have a cloth ready to go.
you find the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know.
Did the rubbing motion over there. I did the brush on here. So for this type of wood, don't do the brush because that didn't really work. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this part, and this seems to be working.
I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
Well, this is the way it's looking so far. Oh my goodness. This was a bit of a headache, but I'm so glad the way it turned out. I still have to do the bottom. I'm going to do it in a different color, but I love the top. Yeah, I did the counters the same way. I love it. So that's how it's looking so far. I'm going to let this dry because I applied the one coat. I'm going to let it dry. And I love the way it's turning out, but we're far from finished.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who who's as honest as you are.
Luckily, these were painted in black. I tested them before, so I didn't have to sand them.
The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it all.
I can't tell you how relaxing this is. I know that you're probably thinking, I hate painting. You know, I can't do this. Yes, you can. You just have to not be in a hurry. Primed these two chairs already, and I'm going to start my third one. And I've got the other one over there to prime. My son-in-law is working on the fire pit. We're just waiting for the stone to be delivered. These pillows, these seats, I might have to put them back on. I'm not sure. I wanted to reupholster them. I have the fabric, but the problem is the foam. The foam won't be here for another couple of days. So I contacted a few local people to reupholster these for me. They're not able to. There's a waiting list for about 6 weeks, and that's not going to work out for me. So they might have to go on just as is for now. Well, there you go, guys. Not too shabby. The table was $50 on Marketplace, and the chairs I paid $15 each. So I paid $60 for the 4 on Marketplace. I really love the detail, and the table is not perfect, but you know what? It's not too bad. I kind of like it. And then I just put my authentic Mackenzie Childs vase over there with just some tulips. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.
I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms.
I went on Marketplace and I seen this and I thought, oh my goodness, I really like that. It's for another project in another video. But let me know what you think of it. I have a lot of fence space and it was $10. It's a fair size. So when I got there, I wanted to give her the $10 and she refused to take it. She says no. And so hubby and I brought it home, and the little window, believe it or not, is in glass. Oh, it's so adorable. So I thought I'm really going to do something with it. Of course, it's going to be for a future video, but I thought it was super adorable and I'm going to do something with that chariot. Now let's talk about the horse. I like the color of the horse, but I think it needs something else. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think I should do with a horse. Leave me a comment because I'm going to work on this project with you. That's what we're going to do for this project. This is going to be a future video. I need you to tell me how I should do this. Should I do that checks or harlequin? Should I paint the horse in black or white? Or what should I do? How do you want to design this project? I'm going to collect all your comments and I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to see which ones will go better together. And then we'll complete it in a different project and see how it turns out. So don't forget, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Okay, I better get back to my gardening. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have an amazing week. And always remember, you want to reach a point in your life and you say, remember when? And never ever, I wish I did. Love you.